thought Nigel tonight was absolutely spot on.
Anything that stood out for you in particular?
Well, I mean, he's totally nailed it on the state of the National Health Service. Also, the fact that when he was talking tonight about where we'd make savings, things like foreign aid, the Barnett formula, you know, we're the only party with a properly costed manifesto. So we can actually spend money in areas like the NHS and in areas like defence because we know and we've already identified where those cuts are coming from. I thought the Conservatives were supposed to be the party of fiscal constraint, but you know, the Chancellor can't tell you where the money's coming from. Nigel tonight spoke about a number of areas where we'd spend money, but he also identified where we would make the savings to fund it. Well, we've identified a number of areas where we can save money. So you're talking about the EU budget, you're talking about foreign aid, scrapping HS2, which where I live is a big thing. So we can certainly save money there. And there are also a lot of quangos out there that definitely need looking at. I mean, the level of spending on public services, but is not going into the right place. It's going into basically middle management, pen pushers. I mean, we've seen that in the NHS. The Labour government massively increased middle management, so they were spending more money on the NHS, but it wasn't going into the front line. You don't need things like monitoring the Care Quality Commission, which are over-bloated quangos, which we've committed to cut. You can make savings there and then put them back into the front line.